If you are watching this video, you are going to know why your turbo whistles too loud. That is what you are getting from this video. You should know that turbo whistle, but there is difference between LD turbo sound and a dangerous one. That is what you are getting from this video. How are you going to differentiate a healthy turbo whistle and when it become too loud? Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video after you have learned something from this video. You should know that every turbo whistle, why? Because compressed air being forced through your intake system at insane speed. Do you know that the speed of the turbo sometimes reach 100,000 rpm? That is to tell you the speed of the turbo. Now that sound you are hearing is a sound of boost pressure, which is normal, but when it becomes too loud, there is a problem. What could be the cause? Let me tell you things that could be the cause when your turbo sound becomes too noisy or too loud. It could be that there is boost leak. Yes, when your boost leaks, it could be the reason why your turbo sound is too loud. When your turbo whistle and you can't even hear your radio, your music again, that means it's becoming too loud. It could be that you have a crack intercooler pipe or a loose hose clamp or a damaged intercooler. This could be the reason why your turbo is becoming too loud. Number two is that sometimes it could be one bearing or shaft play. When you shake your turbo and you notice that the play there is becoming too much, or one bearing, that could be another reason why the noise is becoming too loud, because now there is metal on metal friction, which make your turbo to become too noisy. And if when you are hearing as if it's a siren noise, that should tell you that the turbo is faulty. Number three is that exhaust leak before the turbo. It could be that not the turbo but the exhaust is leaking before the turbo. Maybe sometimes it could be because of exhaust gasket leak. Sometimes it could be whistle and it will look as if it's turbo. Sometimes it may not be turbo. And if number four is modify intake or aftermarket air filter. When you have modified your intake or you are using aftermarket air filter, then sometimes you may be hearing a kind of loud turbo whistle. You should know that that is what you bargained for. That is what you bought. So don't be surprised when you hear this kind of noise. And another reason, it could be that you have a cracked turbo housing or damaged compressor wheel. If the turbo housing is bad, then the turbo is going to loud. These are the things that could make your turbo noisy, that could make it too loud. Please check any of these things. I bet you are going to know why your turbo is too loud. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share to others. So what should you do? Let me tell you. One, you should pressure test your boost system. Ensure you pressure test it. If you see any leakage, then stop that leakage. Check all couplers and clamps. Listen for exhaust leaks and inspect the turbo shaft. Then pull the intake hose off and check if oil is coming from the turbo blade or there is a damaged blade. These are the things you can do to fix your turbo. There's no doubt this video must have saved you some dollars. Thanks for watching this video to this point. Then don't forget to like, share and give it to others. See you in another video. See you.